Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the Family Cooks. Today's menu is chicken a la cave. So let's get started. We'll start with the ingredients first. For this we require chicken boneless. I have taken 3 big pieces of chicken boneless, butter 250 grams, parsley, breadcrumb, 2 eggs, 6 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon Provence herbs, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic powder each. So we'll start with the boneless piece first. As you can see how I am putting a cut into it without cutting it whole. You have to be careful because we don't have to cut the whole piece into half. This is how it is gonna look. Now we'll take a plastic bag and put the chicken piece into it this way. We're gonna smash it with the help of a wooden stick, which is gonna make our chicken piece thin. So we're gonna do this one by one to all the pieces. Now it's done. Once we are done, we are gonna marinate it. So we'll add the salt and pepper to the chicken, then ginger and garlic powder, vinegar, and add the rest of the chicken and mix it well. So as you can see, it's done. So we'll keep it in the fridge for about half an hour. Now it's time to chop parsley. We are gonna finely chop them first and then add it to the grinder. After that, we're gonna chop the garlic cloves and add it to the grinder as well. So this is the manual grinder. We are gonna just smash our parsley and garlic together and add it to the bowl. After that, we're gonna add the butter to it and then oregano and Provence herbs. Mix it well and make sure the butter is at room temperature. If you want, you can add salt to the butter as well. So now we are gonna take a plastic film and add the butter mixture to it and make it in a round shape, as you can see in the video. So here it is, and place it in the freezer for about 30 minutes or until it's hard. So I took it out. It is now in a circular shape. We'll remove the plastic film from it. And now we are gonna add this to our marinated chicken this way. First we'll place the chicken and then the ball and dip it in the egg and then corn flour and then again egg and then breadcrumbs. So first step is to dip the whole ball in the egg and then corn flour. So instead of rolling the ball, you can put the corn flour on top because it is kind of heavy. Now we'll dip it again in the egg and then breadcrumbs. Be very careful with this as it is gonna be so heavy. So now we're gonna fry it. This is how we are gonna fry it so that it doesn't get open. Only for 3 minutes each side or maximum 5. We'll change the side. Okay, now the other side for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we are gonna bake it in a pan. Okay, so you can see how good it looks from now only, and to be honest, the smell is so awesome. Also, I preheated the oven at 150 degrees, and after putting the chicken, I turn it to 180 degree. And if you don't like to bake it, you can just deep fry it for about half an hour or so until it is cooked well. So do try our recipe and let us know in the comments if you liked it. This is such a unique recipe and it gives a very good taste with the parsley and garlic and butter. So it's ready to eat now and we'll see how it looks like. Oh my god, the butter smells so good and chicken is cooked very well. So as you can see inside, the parsley and butter and garlic have their own good smell. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us for amazing recipes. And if you have any recipe suggestion, you can comment below. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe.